بسم الله الحمد لله سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا ما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. We are traveling in first class now from Marrakesh to Casablanca, and the first class ticket is around $32. So for three people, 938 something dirham, Marrakesh dirham. The train station is very clean, nice, and it takes about 2.5 hours to get to Casablanca. We decided not to stay there. We are gonna coming back inshallah around 7:30 in the evening. Our main goal is to visit the mosque. Hassan the second, I believe his name, Muhammad Hassan the second. He built the mosque. It's one of the oldest mosques in Casablanca. It's a very cosmopolitan city. So I do see in the outskirts of the desert a lot of small houses that have dish on top of it, and a lot of orchard garden, olive garden, palm trees, and the weather is so nice, mashallah. It's very warm and hot and cozy. And here you go, the greeneries is all over in the middle of the desert. By the way, the closest desert is Sahara, so it's not all just desert. There is greeneries here and there, and that tells me there must be waters around. By the there is a mule. They use mule here a lot, donkey and horses. I did see some camels, but not a whole bunch. And this is a very common scenario. You would see a mosque here and there. Official language, I believe they have French here. Morocco was probably the colony of France. They can easily go and come have businesses in France. And the houses here are not that tall. Now, a few of them are 4th story, but most of them 2-story or 3-story. So now it's all about the wall. All right, so inshallah we'll take some more picture when I get there. The color of the mountains are sometimes dark gray, brown. It's not much sand, however, it's a lot of stones. And lifestyle is very simple, hard. But overall, I really liked it and enjoyed. Alhamdulillah.